I'm coming to you, Mayon! Ay, labak. Yeah. Medyo delikado. Yeah. Yeah. I'm here. Can't see me? Medyo may advantage. Nagawa mo dyan? It's a mermaid. This is Bitutang Manok. Kaya ba ni Smashy? Bago ang anumang long ride, mahalaga ang tamang paghahanda. Una, siguraduhin nasa kondisyon ang ating katawan at motorsiklo. I-check ang langis, gulong, kadena, preno at ilaw. Kasama rin dapat ang kompletong safety gears tulad ng helmet, gloves at jacket. Siyempre, huwag kalimutan ang mga essentials tulad ng tubig, toolkit at personal ID. Bago magsimula sa biyahe, planuhin ang budget. Narito ang breakdown ng ating estimated na gastos. Number 1, gasoline. Ang average consumption ng Smash ay 50 to 55 km per liter. Para sa biyaheng 470 to 500 km, kakailanganin natin ng 8 to 10 liters ng gasolina na nasa 53 to 60 pesos per liter. Approximate total 550 pesos. Number 2, food and drinks. Maglaan ng 100 hanggang 150 pesos bawat meal. Para sa 3 meals at snacks, maghanda ng 400 pesos. Number 3, miscellaneous para sa tubig, small repairs, etc. Maghanda ng 150 pesos. Total estimated budget, 1,100 pesos. Sa halagang ito mga katuto, siguradong magaan sa bulsa ang ating adventure.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Okay, we're going to Manila, Bicol to Manila. Ang tanong, kaya ba natin? Isa to sa bucket list ko, no? Kasi before, palagi tayong nagsa South Road gamit ang sasakyan. So talagang sabi ko, i-challenge ko ang sarili ko na magpunta ng Manila, Bicol to Manila gamit ang motorsiklo. So malalaman natin yan sa ating biyahe na almost 500 kilometers. So let's see. Anyway, bago man tayo umalis, no? Standard na yan. Check up ng gulong, lahat. Tune up ng motor. First motor adventure, Bicol to Manila using Suzuki Smash 115. Ay simula sa ating lupang sinilangan, Bicolandia, Oragon, Proud Bicolano inni. Actually, magandang i-long ride ang Suzuki Smash kasi magaan lang siya. At higit sa lahat, ang pinaka-advantage talaga is yung tipid sa gasolina. Sabi ko nga sa tatay ko, sa tagal ko sa nagmamaneho, nakita ko yung difference ng convenience sa comfort. Comfort, of course, 4 wheels, comfortable tayo. But sometimes inconvenient, madaming factors. Sabi ko nga sa 4 wheels, pag lumagpas ka ng konti, mahirap bumalik, no? Hanap ka pa ng U-turn slot, minsan sobrang layo. Pag motor, dali lang. Sunod yung parking. Ang katlo, pag medyo traffic, pwede kang lumusot-lusot pag nakamotor. Ang paglusot-lusot na nakamotor, gawin natin na maingat, mga katuto. I'm coming to you, Mayon! I'm coming to you! Ginubatan Albay. Maganda ng motor eh. Lusot-lusot. Dito tayo sa malinis. Nagbabaga ang cellphone at ang camera, mga katuto. Pero ayos lang ang biyahe. Mahangin man kahit pa paano. Ayos si boss. Umiwas yung mga lubak. Ligaw Albay! Challenge accepted! Bicol to Manila via motorcycle. Additional challenge, I use my Suzuki Smash 115 para magaan lang ang biyahe at mas matipid. Bato Kamsor! May release ng tren sa dadaanan. Nabuakam Resort Railroad Crossing. Ito yung lumang release ng tren biyaheng Bicol from Tutuban. Solid yellow line, tapos putol-putol sa kaliwa. Ito double solid line. Ito naman putol-putol sa kapila. Then ito free. No overtaking, no crossing. Traffic pa din. Yeah. Yun, medyo delikado. Delikado talaga. Parang ano na to ng kalabaw ah. Oh my goodness. Ayos, kayang-kaya ni Smashy. Sige, Smashy. Kaya mo yan, Smashy. Yeah. Kaya. Yeah. 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 Going sa Manila via Pamplona proper. Paggamit ng Smash 115 going to Manila. Tayo naman. Basta mag-ingat tayo sa kalsada. And obey traffic rules. Huwag palaging nagmamadali. Kasi baka magmadali tayo papunta sa huling hantungan. Okay, ito yung sinasabi ko. So, putol yung kalsada. Pag mabilis ka, dali ka. Kaya, dumaan tayo doon sa mga diversion roads na wala masyadong sasakyan. Medyo malayo, pero at least safe. Wala ka masyadong naaamoy na tambotso tulad nito, nasa harap ating jeep. Ragay Cameron Resort. Heading to Manila. Roadworks here. And Ragay Cameron Resort. Ito yung nakakapatraffic. Daming roadworks. Na-tsempo talaga sa holiday. What to do? Election period. Alam na this. Actually, talagang challenge natin, katutuan sa sarili natin, just to promote an affordable motovlogging setup. When we say setup, that includes our motorcycle. Hindi lang kasi yung camera, hindi lang yung safety gears like helmet, gloves, hindi lang yan. Butas dito, butas doon. Boy. I'm here. Can't see me? My God. Double yellow line. No overtaking. At any time, no overtaking, no crossing. Butas dito, butas doon, butas everywhere. Kung gamit nyo ay Smash 115, chill ride, chill. At least paunahin mo na sila. Kasi kung malaking motor ang gamit nyo with high displacement, matitrigger kayo na matipaghabutan. Lotong Pinoy, Bulaluhan, Quezon Province na yan. So boundary tayo ng Camarines Sur at Quezon Province. So ito, nasa Camsor pa tayo. Diyan sa may dulong yan, Quezon Province na. Boundary of Camarines Sur and Quezon Province. Tagkawayan, Quezon. Calawag, Quezon. Traffic din. Traffic dahil sa pangit na kalsada. Wala naman tong kalsada na to. Tinabunan tapos yung pinang fill up siya yung nagnas. O di ibig sabihin ito, mas matibay yung tinabunan.
Yeah.
Something is wrong. Town proper. Still in Calawag. Grabe. Kalsada dito. Grabe traffic. Ito yung mahabang traffic dito sa Calawag, Quezon. Apo. Actually, pag motor, medyo may advantage. Pwede ka makalusot-lusot. Pag 4 wheels, hindi ka na mag-alantay. Lopez Bypass, Calawag, Quezon. This is a project in Lopez, Quezon. It's like train station. Arnica Highway. Pag nagpas doon sa Lopez Bypass Road, kaliwa, then diretso na Arnica Highway. Gumaca, Quezon. Gumaca, Quezon, town proper. Release ng tren in Gumaca, Quezon. Atimunan, Quezon. Uy! Ginagawa mo dyan? It's a mermaid! Ako ay isang shopoy. Puntahan kita dyan. To Manila! Lucena! Natimutan taba, but we're going to Manila. This is the Bitukang Manok. This is Bitukang Manok. Kaya ba ni Smashy? Kayang-kaya. Matibay si Smashy. Woo! So I'm here with Smashy in Bitukang Manok. Oy, medyo nabitin si Smashy doon. First gear. First time mag first gear ni Smashy. Puntang Manila. Okay. Medyo nabitin lang. First time nadabaan dito sa Bitukang Manok using my motorcycle Shmas 115.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you.
Yes, Smashy, I'm so proud of you. Diba oh, yung ano, wow, Volkswagen 1960s, bumiyahe, kayang-kayang bitukang manok, very good, puno pa ng tao. Ito na yan, overlooking, hindi pwedeng maghagis ng coin at medyo delikado. Quezon National Forest Park. Sorry, hindi ba rin maghagis? Wow! Man-made falls. Bitukang manok in Atimonan, Quezon. Nabitin lang tayo doon kasi may kotse sa harap. Kaya medyo nangamoy yung makina ni Smashy sa first gear. Medyo nababad yung first gear. Anyway, she's fine. Still kicking. Ito ang isa pang cons. Nagmotor ka, yung ulan. Stranded tayo mga katuto dito sa pagbaba lang ng Bitukang Manok. Pagbaba ng Bitukang Manok, Pagbilao, Quezon na to. Magpatila lang tayo ng ulan at medyo delikado magbiyahe ng ganitong madulas ang kalsada. Medyo maulan dito sa Pagbilao, Quezon. Kailangan lang tayo, safety first. Ride safe and ride smart. Medyo maulan. Maulan ang gabi. Hinay-hinay lang tayo mga katuto. Ako sa may part ng Luciana, Laguna, walang external mic kasi nabasa. Sobrang lakas ng ulan dun sa remaining part ng Quezon Province, lalo na sa may Lukban. Madami yung tumiyarit na motor sa bumaha. Nabasa nga lang yung external mic ko. Hindi ko alam kung gagana pa. Yes! Maasahan si Smashy. Suzuki Smash 115 lang ang sakalam. Hindi tumiyarit doon sa baha. Kunting tip lang mga katuto, ano? Pag baha na medyo malalim, hinay-hinay lang. Huwag yung bibilisan ng takbo kasi talagang pag pinasok ng tubig yung spark plug, talagang mamamatay yan. Ang daming tumiyarit doon. Sobra, grabe yung baha doon. Kala ko bagyo eh. Silipo na tuloy ako. We're heading to Antipolo, Rizal. 2 hours at 30 minutes pa bago natin marating ang ating destination sa Manila. Kung may bitukang manok yung Katungunan Quezon, dito sa Laguna may na. Parang tawag dito, Pitukang Baboy. Pagsanhan Laguna.
In 300 meters, turn left onto Chrysostomo. Take the next left onto Chrysostomo.
Ay nako,